How to log into Paycom Employee Login. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily log into Paycom's Employee Login. The very first thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and search for Paycom Employee Login. Tap on the first link, Paycom Login of Employee Self-Service. Now select what type of account you want to log into. I'll just select Employee for now. And once you select your account type, you'll be taken to your respective login page. First thing you do is enter your username and then your password. Then you're going to enter the last 4 digits of your SSN or your PIN pin. Then you can just click on this login button. If you forgot your username or password, click on either of these links provided down below to recover any of them. So for username, you can provide your email address where they'll send you a verification code. And for password, you can just tap on it, provide username, your date of birth, as well as your 4 digits of your social security PIN. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.